Here's a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer hitch receiver, integrated navigation system, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, rear parking sensors, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
We do business a better way at Knippelmier Chevrolet. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located on East Highway 62 in Blanchard, Oklahoma.